Before we start the lesson, let's take a moment to explore the starter code that has been provided for us. Let's first look at server.js. This is the file where you will be creating your WebSockets server, receiving messages from clients and sending messages back out to clients. In this file, we've already provided the imports for you, as well as some constant variables which you may or may not choose to use. We've also provided an HTTP server instance for you. Currently, it just serves the index.html file to the client on localhost port 8080. In the next exercise, you'll learn how to use this server to create a WebSocket connection. Below, you'll find a section where you will write all of the WebSocket logic, as well as a section for helper functions, where you will write a function for broadcasting. In the public folder is the index.html file. This file contains the HTML structure for the application, and is where you will write your client-side WebSocket logic, including connecting to the server, sending messages to the server, and receiving messages from the server. At the top of the script section of this file, we've declared a variable WSClient, but we haven't initialized it yet. In the next exercise, you will use this variable to establish a WebSocket connection with the server. Below is a section where we do some initial DOM setup, a section where you will write all of your WebSocket client-side logic, and a section for helper functions that will assist with further DOM manipulation. Now that we have a sense for what code we've been provided, we can run the application. First, we'll need to open up a terminal, and then install all of the dependencies of the application. In package.json, we can see that the main dependency is the WS package, which we'll use to create the WebSocket server. I'll start by running the npm install command to download all node dependencies. Once the dependencies are installed and saved in our node modules folder, we can run the application by running the command node server.js. As you can see, the server is listening for requests on localhost port 8080, where it will be serving our index.html file. Let's take a look at this running application. Here, I've opened up two web browsers. Since we're building a chat application that should connect multiple users, you'll want to organize your web browsers in this way. I'll start by going to localhost port 8080 on each of these browsers. Here we can see the index.html file. We have the area where chat messages will appear, as well as a form at the bottom to submit our messages. Let's type in a message and see what we get. As you can see, as I type into each one of these clients, we receive the message back, no WebSocket connection. Over the next few exercises, we're going to take this starter code and turn it into a fully functioning chat application using the power of WebSockets. Let's get started.